How to see recently added friends on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see your recently added friends on Facebook. Now to do so, open up the app first and log into your ID. Once you're logged into your ID, what you want to do is tap on the three-line icon on the top right corner of your screen that you can find just below the messaging icon, and then head over to settings by tapping on the settings icon, and if you scroll down under your information you'll find the option activity log. Now open it up, and if you scroll down even more you'll find the option connections. Now tap on view connections, and here what you want to do is first tap on filters and head to categories, and here you can see the added friends option just below the all option right on the screen. Tap on it, and here you'll be able to see all your added friends that you have added in chronological order. Now you can see the friend that I added today, 12th May, and yesterday 11th May, 10th May, 9th May. So you can see all your recently added friends in chronological order. So hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.